everyone, I am Yu-Yang. Yu-Yang brings you a transforming robot today. The transforming robot in the movie Transformers 2, Bumblebee. It forms the left leg of Bumblebee. This is Crazy. Crazy is shaped like a caterpillar, D9L excavator. It is a pretty large excavator. You can see its whole appearance. Because the excavator has a bar of iron in the back, it is a triangular shape. But because this is not easy to implement, Yu-Yang has done it like this. Well, the Transformers movies had really bizarre shapes, so this robot is no exception. When making it, it does not have two legs, and its arms are very long. If you like these videos, don't forget to like and share. If you have anything you want to watch, you can tell Yu-Yang. Yu-Yang will try to implement it. So, let's start transforming it. To transform it, first we lift the excavator up. Then, this iron bar will become an arm. It looks like a swordfish, very long. Therefore, we will form an arm for it. As for the legs, because it doesn't have two legs, we just need to attach the iron bar in the back. Then, it will form a flat surface like this. So, it's possible. As for its flexibility, because it doesn't have legs, the flexibility is mainly in its arms. Its arms, because they use many joints, can rotate in many directions and in any position. So, the flexibility is not a problem at all.